Okay, so the question is, how can a community quantify the relative value of diverse contributions and incentivize engagement? And this is the question that I've been thinking about in the context of academia, designing solutions for the last 6 years or so, and prototyping for the last 3. And this has brought me to develop a framework that's called Wisdom. There's 6 main stages. The first is for the community to record contributions, which can be any actions, ideas, or resources that they think are valuable, along with some number of dimensions that they think that those contributions should be rated on. Now, reviews are really simple. We just give someone 2 contributions and ask them to tell us which is more X, where X is each dimension of interest. And the unique part of our model is that we recognize those reviews as valuable contributions in their own right. We award them with 1 unit of value, and then we include generic representations of reviews in the contribution set to be reviewed themselves. So now we're reviewing reviews, so this is called meta review. And here it's the same as before, except you're giving someone a regular contribution and asking them to compare that to some number of reviews. So I did embed a little video, which is way too little. Yeah, just keep going. I'll just talk you through it. So basically, in this little video, tiny little thing in the corner, there's going to be 2 regular reviews and 2 meta reviews, and we were prototyping in the context of festivals, so we have some festival contributions there. The person's just choosing between like a Firefly performance and I think it was some money. And then on the next one you're about to see, they're then doing this meta review where they're comparing, say, a Firefly performance to 100 of these pairwise comparisons. And the key thing is that every time someone does one of these, they get their little token counter goes up in the corner, and so they're getting a direct incentive every time they do a review, and they're getting a dopamine button hit to keep on clicking buttons. And so the way we scale this is we include a range of these reviews in the meta review process, and this generates a data set that allows us to fit a baseline, and then we can use that function to automatically calculate the value of any contribution to the community. And so because we can do this for any dimension, we can automatically produce a multi-dimensional representation of the unique qualities of any contribution to that community. And from there, I think you can see it's relatively simple to then move to an automated reward mechanism. And we can also generate reputation scores that represent the value that someone's added over time so that we can use those for automated governance. And so this is just a flag that we prototyped, like I said, in the space of festivals, but we've now generalized and shown that it can also apply to the space of academia through reviewing contributions to an open science conference. And everything that we're creating is completely open, free, and available for use. So I would love to meet people that are interested in this idea. We've got some spreadsheet prototypes that anyone can use and explore for their own community. We're also developing or designing at the moment an MVP. And we've got a great international developer community, but we could definitely use some help with design, management, and blockchain expertise. And question on my mind is the use of graph databases. So if anyone here knows about that stuff, we'd love to chat with you. And just a flag that we've got interest from the world's largest meta science conference in June of next year. So we're aiming to sort of really hit the world stage at that one. So thanks very much.